Welcome to another lesson in general mathematics. This time, you will learn how to identify or differentiate rational functions, rational equations, and rational inequalities. So let's proceed. So first, before identifying the differences among the three, let us first have a review or recap. Um, are you familiar with a polynomial? So this is an example of a polynomial with three terms. So we call it a trinomial. So notice that a polynomial may consist of constants. So like 3, -15, -2. We also have decimal and fractions. It may also have variables or letters like A, B, X, Y, or your alphabet, the letters on your alphabet. It may also consist of exponents like 2 in x squared, which these can be combined using addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So there are special names for polynomials. For example, if it has only one term, we call it monomial. Other examples of monomial are -3xy, 0.7 tuwx cubed. We also have 15, the constant 15. And the other one, we also have binomial having two terms. So we have example 5xy minus 2, x squared minus 2, 3x to the 4th plus 2xy. So these are examples of binomial. We also have trinomial, and these include three terms. So examples are 2xy cubed plus 2y minus 4, aby cubed minus 2by plus 3, and a minus b plus c. So observe that they are combined or separated. Each term are separated by operations such as multiplication or division, such as addition and subtraction. So let's proceed. First, we have rational expression. So a rational expression is an algebraic expression whose numerator and denominator are polynomials and whose denominator is not equal to 0. Remember that in rational expressions, denominator cannot be equal to 0 because if it is, it will become undefined. So that is a no-no to a rational expression. So we have here an example of rational expression 2 over x or 2 divided by x, given that x, the denominator x here is not equal to 0. We also have 2x squared over 3x minus 5, given that the denominators will not be equal to 0. We also have x to the 4th plus 16 divided by x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2x. So these are examples of rational expressions where the numerator and denominator are polynomials except that the denominator is not equal to 0. So next we have a rational equation. So a rational equation is an equation involving rational expression. For example, we have 2 divided by x or 2 over x. These are rational expressions. But if we add equal sign, if we put equal sign to the center of the two or between the two rational expressions, meaning we have already a rational equation. Take note that it is an equation involving rational expression. So your 2 over x is a rational expression. Or 2x squared minus over 3x minus 5 is also a rational expression. So we also have x to the 4th plus 16 over 4x squared plus 2x. And we also have 2. So 2 is also a polynomial having one term. So if we put equal sign between them, we have already a rational equation. Next, we also have this one. So take note that it is composed of rational expressions combined or equated by, added by, with the presence of course, with the presence of an equal sign. So that is rational equation. Next, we have rational function. So we already discussed what is a function, and the rational function is a function that can be written in the form f of x, which is the numerator p of x, that is p of x, and the denominator q of x are polynomials, and q of x, or the denominator, is not equal to 0. For example, we have here f of x, which is equal to 2x squared divided by 3x minus 5. Another one, we have y, which is equal to 4x cubed divided by x. We also have h of b, which is equal to b plus 6 divided by 2b cubed plus 2b squared minus 2. So these are examples of rational function. We also have another one which we call rational inequality. Here, it is easy to identify rational inequality because of the presence of these symbols such as less than or greater than, or simply less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So because a rational inequality is a statement that it compares two rational expressions using the inequality symbols, such as those symbols that you see here. So these are the inequality symbols. Okay, so try this. The 7 exercise. Determine whether the given is rational function, rational equation, rational inequality, or none of this. So for number 1, we have, number 3. So our number 3 is an example of rational inequality because of the presence of the inequality symbol less than or equal to. Next, we have rational function, the t of s, which is equal to 3x cubed minus 3x plus 2 over x minus 5. We also have rational equality. This includes rational expressions with the presence of equal sign. We also have rational equation. So rational equation here because of the presence of equal sign. And of course, number 5 is none of this. It's not rational equation or rational. Yes, this is rational equation. Sorry, rational. It's not rational equation nor rational function or rational inequality. Why? Because here the square root of x plus 2 is not a real number. Take note, when we have rational numbers here or irrational numbers here, therefore it does not belong to rational expressions. Okay, so for your activity to try, so give at least 5 examples of rational function, rational equation, and rational inequality. that's all. Thank you for watching.